Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning, the honorable jury and audiences. How are you today? I'm so sure that you fine today and ready to listen my story. Before I start my story, let me introduce myself. My name is Agreng Restu Pangastuti, and you can call me Restu. I'm a student of Junior High School 1 Bangil. Here I will tell you one of the popular legends of Pasuruan Regency about who Kakek Bodo Waterfall. Kakek Bodo Waterfall, located in the Tretes, Prigen, Pasuruan, East Java. Well, audiences, here is my story. Once upon a time, in a remote village in East Java, there was a grandfather who had long served the Dutch family. The grandfather was said to be pious and honest, to dedicate and leave his home and a worthy things. The grandfather left a Dutch family. The grandfather went the Dutch master to explanation. My lord, thank you for your accepting me to serve in this family. Please forgive me. I want to meditate and live of your family. Please forgive me. Where are you going? I am old. I want to meditate. You are old. You do not seek trouble. Forgive me, sir. I want to meditate. Okay, Grandpa. The next day, the grandfather left the Dutch family, and the grandfather went to meditate in the waterfall. After meditating in a long time, the grandfather used a supernatural power and helped local village. Grandpa, please help my child. I said, but I don't have anything. I can bring. I'm poor. Please, Grandpa, help me. Okay, honey, I treat you child son. You raise and eat food. Okay, Grandpa, thank you. The grandfather went to eating and his daily activities. Because his old age, the grandfather ended his life in the waterfall. The Dutch family called the Kakek the grandfather Kakek Bodo. This name in used the waterfall. Location of Kakek Bodo Waterfall located in Mount Arjuna, Pecalukan Village, Prigen District, Pasuruan Regency, East Java. And water from is Kaligatik River. Body is grandfather and 100 meter before the location of Kakek Bodo Waterfall. I think that's all my story and can enjoy it. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.